Hey guys, so today let's try to fix this double layered residential building. So this might look a little bit difficult, but let's try to fix this one. So when doing a multi-layered building such as this one, the best approach should be capturing the top layer first, okay? And then we can just connect the second layer after we are done with the first layer. Okay, so first, I mean with the top layer. So first, let's capture our top layer, making sure that we are parallel, okay? Because if you are not parallel from the start, you won't be able to match your panels, okay? So after that, let's try to match. Let's check other views. Um, so, hmm, yeah, so I think we did a good job matching. So drag the wall and then let's fix or let's capture the second layer first. Okay, we can try to draw the top layer, but I think it would be best to capture the second layer first. The first layer first before labeling the top layer. So for this one, we will just use H, okay, to connect, double click. So same with your um hmm, okay, so I think it's straight. Same with your building repair, okay? Remove the dot and we will use Alt to adjust the height. Okay. So, so again, so use Alt. Check other views. Again, from time to time, make sure you check other views. You don't just stick with one view. Okay. So let's try this one. And also avoid using views that is top dead center or similar to your the one that you are using. Avoid using this kind of views, guys. Top dead center. Okay. And yeah, I think we captured this panel correctly. And so, hmm, I think for this one, guys, it's much better to try to capture the first layer first. So because I can only it would look like this. So if you see the ridge, it would look like this. Okay, like that. Okay, so we can just insert the panel here inside, and we and just use um auto fix. Okay, to fix the panels. So let's try again. Uh, let's use our assist line to make an imaginary uh, square or rectangles. Let's so assist line, um, snap, and again we will use the assist line to make uh, an imaginary square or rectangle. So I think this should be good enough. And let's this will be the most tricky part, the ridge. Okay, so I think we need to use our imagination or our assessment with this one. Okay, so let's try. Hopefully, we can capture the ridge properly. Let's insert. I think the ridge is below. And let's try to use this one, this panel as a guide. Okay, so from here, Let's see. Okay, let's check other views. So remember, guys, I just inserted the panels inside this second layer. So hmm, let's adjust. I think. Oh, let's try again. Okay, I'm just using this ridge as a guide. Okay, so same with this one. Hmm, okay, so let's check other views. Okay, let's try this one. Ah, remember, guys, do not rush. Okay, don't rush your work. So we have plenty of time to fix this task. Okay, so let's queue. Okay, so let's proceed. And okay, so let's try to use AutoFix tool. So we can just undo later if we can cut if we have an error on this on these panels, okay? Or we can capture these panels correctly. So let's try group and then press F4. So hopefully we can capture these panels correctly. Hmm. Okay, so I think we did a pretty good job with this one. So let's try to adjust using M. Okay, so we are done. We just adjusted using M and we can capture the top layer. Okay, so we can continue capturing the top layer. So first, mm, draw the ridge. Oh, let's just remove the excess assist line first. So, and then let's draw the ridge. So you can try to capture the top first, but because there's layers below, capturing the top first the panels might pose difficulties when labeling the panels below the upper panels. So I forgot to match. So again, try. Let's match again. Okay, so slowly. Okay, next is this one. 9 to connect. Make sure you are connected with this panel so that you do not need to adjust anymore. Okay, so a bit on the wrong side. Yeah. So we can just use AutoFix later. And lastly, this part of the building. So let's check other views. Select this one and again, avoid using similar views like this. Just use H. So with this kind of structures, it's best to use H to connect. Okay. It's auto adjust. Oh, I think. Hmm. Let's try to use H again. Okay, so I need to delete the extra dot. because alt won't work if it has an extra dot. Adjust H again, hold alt to adjust, and okay. Okay, so this should be good enough. And use this line, snap. So for this one, okay, we can just insert, okay, we can just insert the panel and then we will use autofix later. So something like that. Close and group. Let's use the autofix F4 and hopefully it will fix the building. Okay, so for this one, autofix didn't fix the upper panel. So we can just use Shift Y to manually fix the panel. Again, Shift. Okay, okay, so it's fixed. And lastly, corn. Oh, I forgot this one. So let's no check other views. Okay, so just snap. Okay, so since this is one plane, one panel, and then so again group F4, remove the extra, and we only need to capture the corners, remaining corners. So again, so for capturing corners, it's best to uh, look for views that has the same orientation. Hmm, like this one. Also, 9, insert there, and use corner mode. Next, so you can add another corner if there's a big difference between, for example, it normally happens on the second layers of the building. So I think the corners looks uniform. So we do not need to add another corner on the top. But this one, I'm not sure what happened. So let's try to look for other views. We need to fix this one. Hmm. Okay, so let's try to fix this one. Hold out. If you are having a hard time with the out, you can zoom in. Try to zoom in. And let's check other views. Okay, so hopefully this will work. 9, switch. Let's just adjust later. Insert. We can just insert that later. This one. This one, I mean. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's check other views. Um, 7. Yeah, so this fixed the problem. So let's try to use F4. A4 first and F4. Okay, so we are done. So this guy has too many corners, so unnecessary corners. So you only need to add another corner if there's a big change. Okay, so normally it happens on the second floor or the second part of the building, second layers. For the first floor, normally we only need uh one corner. Okay, so let's check our final result. Alt R. Okay, so and where's our target building? So, this is our target building. Okay, so yeah, so it does not matter if we have multiple base below, multiple layers. As long as we capture the roof correctly, then we that should be that is good enough. Okay, so yeah, so thank you guys.